What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big AC, aka AC Coolin', back again with another video for y'all, man. Today, got something real special for y'all. You know what I'm saying? You might know, you might not know. Well, you're gonna know because of the thumbnail, of course. But today we got the Travis Scott Reverse Mocha guys unboxing video. You know, you already know what's in the box. You follow me on IG, you seen me style these junks already, you seen me put these junks on. You probably seen them on my story a couple times too. But I'm gonna do an official unboxing video, unofficial unboxing video I should say. Cause you know how that go. But once again, Reverse Mocha guys. You see the box. Let's get it. Right after that, man, I already wore these junks, so you already know what they looking like. You know, real beautiful shoe, man. Real beautiful shoe. Man, details on these junks is so crazy. Real nice suede. Like, look at that movement on that suede, man. Like, pressure on the shoe, man. Like, the lace bands I was already put these junks on for a fit, but you know, they come with your general red, white, and your brown laces. So y'all can see these. You know, nothing too crazy. But that red on these guys, they might be a problem. They might just be a problem. I might rock the red one of these days, but for now I'm gonna stick with the cream because the way the cream just like, look at the cream reverse swoosh on these joints, man. Like, these bad boys right here, some pressure, man. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully when July 21st come around, I can double up, give me a pair for a better price, because paying resale is not always the wave. It is not always the wave. But, you know, nothing too crazy. Just standard with Travis Scott low. Standard, you know, sicko mode face, sick man face, whatever you want to call these junk. Got your Wings logo on the back. Part of the right shoe. You know, typical Travis Scott, you know, insole. Y'all can see that. Y'all should be able to. You know, your Cactus Jack, Jumpman, you know, insole. Got the nice brown outer sole, or mocha outer sole, I should say, with mocha accents all across the shoe. Both sides, toe box with the beautiful nubuck movement. Real soft leather on these guys too, man. Like, compared to the what you call it, the fragment lows, this leather quality on these is light years ahead of the ones in the fragment lows. Don't get me wrong, those are beautiful shoes too, one of my favorites. But these might have just went up on the list to maybe number 2 of the Travis Scott Jordan 1 collection. Real nice shoe, can go with almost anything. You know, that cream and mocha color is a beautiful colorway. You know what I'm saying? Real neutral color. You can probably put these on with a suit or something, like, for real. Like, this is a shoe that's gonna age real well. Mark my words, this junk. But I don't know, I got a feeling the resale for these guys right here, man, they might be through the roof. Well, they're through the roof right now, but I'm talking about later on down the line when these junks officially drop. But, you know, we gonna see. We gonna see what happens with these bad boys. I got them all mixed up. Hold on. But yeah, you know, nothing too crazy. Also, you got the standard pink paper, you know, box. Nothing out of the ordinary. Standard, Nike. You know what I'm saying? I like the glossy effect they got in this box too. Real nice touch with the mocha Nike and the swoosh going along the top of the box, the side of the box as well. Both sides. You know what I'm saying? Got your size tag right there as well. Y'all see that? You know. Man, I can go on and on about these shoes. Travis Scott came in the game, bro. The shoe game been killing it ever since. He had the, what, 3 pairs of Air Force Ones. He had the Jordan 4s. I think was it Jordan 4s first? I don't know, I might be wrong. Don't quote me on none of this. Jordan 4s, then came with the 1 highs, the 1 lows, the 6s, you know what I'm saying, the olive 6s, the khaki 6s, you know what I'm saying? Fragment highs, fragment lows, like SB dunks. Travis Scott really been killing the sneaker game. recently, you know what I'm saying? Like, he the reason why a lot of y'all dunk prices going up too. So if you mad about paying crazy resale for dunks, blame Travis Scott. It's his fault. He the reason. But once again, man, I could still go on about these. It might be one of my favorites in my collection right now. Like look at that, man. Like, on my camera can focus in on the quality of these joints right here, but these gonna be a problem come July 21st. So man, hopefully when that day come around, y'all got y'all sneakers account ready, multiple accounts. Don't just go for one account. Like, oh yeah, I'm good. No, you need at least 2, 3, 4. I don't know. However many you can get. Get all of them, man. Tell your mama, your brother, your cousin, your auntie, your stepmom if you got one, your granddad, whoever can get a sneakers account, man. Tell them folks to get on that website, on that app, log in, get you these shirts, man, for retail, please. Even Travis Scott website too. That junk gonna crash, so it's gonna be some kind of issues. I'm already knowing come July 21st, and it might be a shock drop too. So be on the lookout for that too. Have your phone ready on standby. No matter, you can be at work, at the crib, you know what I'm saying. Wherever you at, have your phone on standby, ready to go for these junks to drop. Cause you're gonna want to get a pepper retail. You're not gonna want to be sitting there looking real sick. Talking about, man, I should get a pepper retail. Now you gotta sit up here and get around like what, $1,600, $1,700, mad because that's more than your rent. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm not trying to pay no $1,600, $1,700, $1,800 for no shoes. Price I paid for these ones was still up there, but I got blessed with a good price. Shout out my plug. But man, you see it. You gonna continue to see it. Because I might even, you know what I'm saying, might be a little nice little fit with these joints. I don't know, you might see me in this joint one of these days. Who knows? But man, I might do a styling video on these later on down the line, closer to release date or on release date. But you know how I normally do with my videos, man, get y'all an in-depth, detailed look at the shoe, so y'all can really get like a close-up look at it, you know. And I'm gonna give y'all my next video, man. Stay motivated, stay blessed, man. Keep your head up and don't let nobody tell you what you can and can't do, man. Because whatever you want to do, you can do it. All right, man. I'll see y'all later.